Hi everyone, Joe Levine here, professional photographer and educator. My set is all about lighting for effect. The subject is an heirloom tomato, and what I love about this as a subject is the different colors, the shape, and all the fun different contours. I want to make sure with my lighting I bring out all those details, which means I can't use an overall light that might fill some of that. So I'm going to go with indirect lighting. I have a single LED. It's aimed above the subject, kind of at the ceiling. Now the first thing it reflects into is a white reflector. It's fairly large, so it returns a nice soft light over the entire set. But I also want to bring out some highlights. So in the front, I have a smaller reflector, kind of like a bank shot in pool, that is just picking up some nice highlights. And down below, a little bit more in the front, I have another reflector that's almost mirror-like, hitting right on the cutting board right below the heirloom tomato. We'll handle the background in a similar fashion here. I may add a colored gel just to add a little pizzazz to the background. Now, one of the things that's unique is each one of these reflectors has a different quality to it, from soft white to mirror-like, and the other two are, well, they're somewhere in between. The final step is that I want the tomato to look nice and fresh, so I'm going to add a little spritz of water, and we'll double check focus and see what we have.